Hi YouTube, October 6, 2014. Here's my outside homemade pond. I have 8 turtles. I have over 30 tilapias, over 40 goldfish, comets, and I don't know, a couple of hundred or more mosquito fish. Took me about a year to build. The turtles, they enjoy it. This is Will right here. He's my favorite. And here's Blastoid. She's my only female. And the way I designed this was that you can walk down some stairs and view through this window. So this is it right here. Here's the goldfish. There's Blastoid. She thinks I'm gonna feed her. This is the mama tilapia right there. All these are her offspring, and they've had babies within. The window here has to be clean. I put a little Venturi effect in the middle right there so it can oxygenate the pond as well as the other side. Just wanted to share this with you. Here's the outside of the falls. And then you look down here, these little guys are down on the bottom. This Blastoid. The other turtles are hiding underneath the rocks and whatnot. And there's Will over there, cruising over here. Well, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed.